Good morning. I am going to make me a blueberry maple donut protein coffee. Go in with this Christmas tree by Drag Up. This is a cinnamon vanilla flavor, but it's gonna go good with the maple donut. The Clean Simple Eat, that's what I'm using here. This is the maple donut. I absolutely love it. Skinny Serve, this is the blueberry cobbler. Some of this blueberry cobbler. This is a creamer that I absolutely love. It tastes so delicious. I haven't found anything too much that I've had it with that it doesn't taste good with. It's good. A little whipped cream on top. And then we're gonna put a little bit more of this caramel on top just because I love caramel. So drop down in the comments and let me know what are you having for breakfast today. Hope you're having an amazing, blessed day. I will see you guys in the next video.